This amazing yellow curry is called Nangka Masak Lemak. It is made from young green jackfruit in a turmeric spiced coconut gravy that is popular in Malay cooking. Jackfruit may have taken the plant-based world by storm in recent years as a meat alternative, but it is well known in the Asian culinary world. Today I will show an easy method for cooking Nangka Masak Lemak. First, we will prepare the ingredients for the curry paste. We will need half an onion, slice them roughly. You can use shallots instead if you prefer. Then we need 3 cloves of garlic. Slice them for easier grinding. We will also need some fresh turmeric root. This is an important ingredient that will give extra aroma and taste to the dish. We will also need some fresh red chilies. I'm using 1 fresh red chili here. Traditionally, bird's eye chilies or chili api is used for this dish. You may add some of them if you prefer an extra spicy gravy, but I'm omitting them because I prefer a mild gravy, which is just as tasty, not to worry. Let's also get 2 lemongrass shoots. Cut off the top part, leaving about 5 to 6 inches of the bulb. Now bruise them lightly with something heavy. We will use a turmeric leaf to give a special aroma to the dish. Just remove the center part and leave them aside. Now put the sliced onions, garlic, turmeric and chilies into a blender. Traditionally, some anchovies, meat or seafood may be added into this dish. Instead, we can add 1 tablespoon of vegetarian anchovies for the extra flavor, but this is entirely optional. Add about half a cup of water to help with the grinding. Now we will blend the ingredients until they are quite fine, but not too smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl. And now, introducing the star of the show, young green jackfruit. It is advisable to purchase jackfruit in brine like this, as the fruits have already been cut and are ready to be used. So you don't have to deal with the sticky sap on your knife, chopping board and your fingers. That can be really messy. We have about 300 grams of jackfruit net weight. Make sure to wash the jackfruit pieces thoroughly to remove any brine. Then place the jackfruit pieces in a pan. Add enough water and half a teaspoon of salt. Cover and bring the mixture to a boil. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the jackfruit is soft. Then drain all the water and we are ready to use the jackfruit for our recipe. Now heat up some oil and toss in the lemongrass. Saute for a while, then pour in the blended paste. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes so that the paste gets aromatic and a little dry. Next, we can add some coconut milk. This is about 165 ml of coconut milk, which is very thick. Add an equal amount of water to dilute. Then add the pre-boiled jackfruit. Also add the turmeric leaves. Add a tamarind slice for some tanginess. This is also optional. You can sub with tamarind juice or lemon juice. We can add some salt to taste. We can also add some mushroom seasoning, about half a teaspoonful. This is also optional but will recreate the taste of the original Nangka Masak Lemak. You can use any type of seasoning or stock powder. Bring it to a boil and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to stir from time to time to prevent the coconut milk from curdling. Once the jackfruit is cooked, switch off the stove. Now it is time to dish out the Nangka Masak Lemak and garnish with some chilies and shreds of turmeric leaves. Serve the jackfruit gravy with some steamed rice. Reminds me of my childhood days when my mom used to prepare this dish. It used to be so tasty and something we always looked forward to. This is really so tasty and appetizing. Thanks for joining me today. See you with another recipe soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. Cheers!